So what are we doing right now?
Looking up the reverse beeper on Chris's car. He doesn't know.
So basically what we're doing is just tapping into the backup lights over here. We're just gonna, you know, the industrial beepers when you hear a truck backing up. That's what's gonna happen on this. So when he puts it in reverse, just gonna get rid of the beepings. I know Chris is gonna eventually see the video, so that's what's gonna make it funny. But he won't know because the car's actually here to get a VTEC head put on. So we're just gonna get this done before he gets here. Oh, there he is. No, that's not him. Okay. Ooh. Don't need no hook prop on this. So this is getting the VTEC head. That's what it's here for. And Chris is coming here. We're gonna do the work on it. But when we go to tune it, at some point you'll have to put it in reverse. It's gonna be funny.
Probably just ground it right off the tail light bolt.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
Let's try it before. What?
Huh? Dizzy's over there.
Cool.
What's he got? Brake lights out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with that.
I don't know. Oh, I see. Never mind.
Hold on, I need to.
He's not here, is he?
Okay, go ahead.
Dude, that's awesome.
Self-tapping in the bar.
Alright, let's get through that fucking hole real quick before he gets here.
Dude, that's so awesome.
Okay, so we're gonna start doing this. We'll go look at the time over here. Friday night. It's almost 7 o'clock. And we'll just see how far we get. And this thing's gonna come in. This is the funny part. So, here's where we're at. We're going to call it at 7 o'clock. It's running. And it is currently the B20. Oh, you don't need that. They just set it up, so that's where we start. All right.
Let's do it.
All right.
I'll be back. I'm gonna pull it.
All right, so we're getting ready to pull the head. When you're pulling the head, you gotta be clean. So this is what we do. Sterile, safety first. You gotta be clean. It's like surgery.
Never know what you're getting yourself into.
Nah, not really, you don't have to do this, but.
Say it again. See what happens.
Tony got a fucking cone head.
No street by Tony.
I'm not gonna do nothing. Yeah. I'm a lover, not a fighter.
All right, calm down. So we're putting intake manifold on it. Just sitting in there nice and straight. Because we ain't got no trannies, so we're in the spirit. We're doing a heavily used clutch. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. It's not lightly used. It's heavily used, but it's better than stock.
Got me.
So
It's like a fire.
this is where we are. What time is it?
Is that correct? 9:10. That's correct.
So we're 2 hours in. We're 2 hours in, and yeah, we saw this thing being pulled in at 7 o'clock. So
We had dinner though.
yeah, and we stopped and had dinner. So you can see we took the liberty to.
Charlie.
We got no street bike Tony, hence blur. We need the blur.
Thank God. The mod for the mod, yo.
So this is where we're
He's
at.
gonna buy a Subaru next. Cali VTEC.
Chris, how you feeling about the choice you made right now?
Good.
You use clutch and all?
How much is baby it, you know?
Nuh-uh.
He'll be back next week for a clutch.
Yeah. You just want to order that today and we can get it coming?
That's probably not a bad
We
idea.
just call Benson?
Well, if you're going to order it today, then there's one in there that we could just put in.
Use clutch. 2 more. It's scary.
He's gonna mix and match.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, two getting killed at home. You spent how much?
Not enough.
Stab you in the face.
All look like how
With a soldering iron. Stab you in the face with a soldering iron. Alright. So this is our 2 hour update. This is how far we've gotten in 2 hours.
Yes, and we're wearing badass suits. Don't judge.
Alright. Well, a little over 2 hours. So let's keep. We're gonna keep plucking away. We're gonna fire this thing up and make some boost tonight, apparently. So stay tuned to the white suits.
You got all the.
You want to wire it in right now or no?
It's probably Tony's.
What's that?
Hey Chris, put it in reverse. I want to hear this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, you. Oh, okay. Dude, you want to know the funniest part about it? Is they got it wired in and mounted right as you pull it.
I shut the trunk as you fucking pulled.
Dude, that's sick. I want one of those.
I shut the trunk as you pulled in. We're just like, oh shit.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you must. Story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where my steps still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
What's up, guys? Thanks for making it to the end of the video if you did. We had a lot of fun with this. It was just one of my dreams that Brian and Steve and a bunch of my buddies made come true. So thanks for everybody involved helping on this build. Definitely is a lot of fun. So I'm gonna have the G8, but the Civic, you're not gonna want to hear this, but it's just a lot more fun to drive. I don't know why, but thanks again, Steve and Brian, Atomic Raceworks, killed it on this one. I don't know if you can notice in the last hit, but I kind of did the turbo in. So they were just some used turbos we got from one of my buddies who was running them on an LS pickup, twin turbo setup, just some REV9 7268s. But yeah, they definitely been used, so just decided to go on me. So had a lot of fun. Like I said, can't thank Brian and Steve enough down at Atomic Raceworks, and like I said, everybody else that was involved in the video. Kind of see everybody. But yeah, if you haven't seen it locally, that's why. Waiting on a new turbo. Didn't really feel like going out. I mean, it still makes boost, but definitely waiting for a new turbo for it. So be looking forward to that. More videos to come. And like I said, if you made it, thanks for hanging out. A lot more to come. So heck yeah. Enjoy your week, your day, whatever day it is that you're watching. And stay tuned for more videos. It's going to be awesome. Thanks a lot. Peace.